if you can introduce yourself also, Achal, if you can write who are you, which organization, what are you working?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm an 18-year-old student from Pune. I'm a humanities. I'm from the humanities stream, and I've also applied at MIT WPU for journalism and mass communication, as well as liberal arts. And I've been selected here for journalism.
Okay, that's good. So you have applied for liberal arts also. Have you appeared for the selection process?
Yes, ma'am. Um, a few teachers have, like, whenever I contacted them, they said that the final merit list has been drawn up, and it's just like few weeks, like few days will be taken to approve the list, and then it will be announced to us. So I'm
Which
just waiting
liberal
for
arts
that.
program you have applied? Which liberal arts?
Uh, BA Liberal Arts.
Okay, no, we have another variant also, BBA Liberal
Oh,
Studies Leadership. So I thought of checking with you. And
I'm
what about
sorry,
other?
ma'am. I wasn't
Okay,
aware.
all the best for your
Thank you, ma'am.
selection process, Achal. Uh, and who is the other participant here, Akshita? Saad Ahmed Sriju. Okay. Param.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You are from?
I'm from BK Birla Center for Education, Pune, and I've joined the course in MIT WPU for Bachelor's in Journalism and Mass Communication.
Okay, that's great. So, is your selection process about to go on or it's
No, ma'am.
concluded?
I have finished. I have been
You are
selected.
done with it. Very, very
Yes, ma'am.
prompt and very, I must say, all these students, like you, very organized, very clear about organization, very clear about program. We were not that. So you people are really much ahead of your time, and that's good that you are already clear. Your 12th results are yet not declared, but you are clear where you have to go, which organization you have to go for. And
Thank you, ma'am.
Achal is, very clear between the two, which one to go for. So many options also available for you.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm like usually a person who tends to get confused if I'm given too many options. So like it was quite hard for me to choose a stream, like which course to pursue. But my mother was really helpful in like setting the course for me and like giving like stating my strengths, and this is like these are your passions. So it would be good if you go in these possible routes. So because of her guidance, I was able to select and narrow down the options.
Okay, that's great. And Param, how was your experience, selection process experience?
It was really great. I really enjoyed. I was a bit tense because it was my first college interview, but then as the interview went on, I went to be comfortable, and thankfully I cleared it.
Okay. And Achal, what about your liberal arts experience, selection
Ma'am,
process?
like to be honest, I really enjoyed it because like I was really excited to make the SOP, the statement of purpose, and like I had all these ideas floating around in my head for like how I want to present it and what all animations and sound effects I can use in it, and except like the whole process in a way. So it was like it's like you made a kheer and you want to keep adding sugar to it. And my mother has this saying for me since childhood कि तुमने already उसमें अच्छा कर दिया है, it's good enough, और चीनी मत डालो, diabetes हो जाएगी.
She's right, very right.
So I couldn't stop actually at a point where I was like, no, I can add this also, or I can do that too. So eventually I had to just like 3 hours before the deadline was up, like I had to submit it. Otherwise, I would have been late.
And
But
your mother
overall, I
is
really enjoyed it.
attending this event today to see you reciting the poem. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
I can see Mishra ji also joined here, and this platform Spectrum Reloaded. It's all about artists, and there's no restriction of age or profession or location. All are artists on this platform, equal artist. So that makes it great. So Mishra ji, आप कहाँ से हैं?
प्रदेश से हूँ, इलाहाबाद से। यहाँ गुजरात में गांधीनगर।
I could see Saad Ahmed also coming on video. Saad, you want to share some message before? Now it's time that we will be starting. So in case I saw you on video, you wanted to say something, Saad? Saad Ahmed. Okay, fine. Okay, Akshata, over to you. We can, I think we are good to go, and you have already made the session live. Yeah.
Anuja ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
We will be starting shortly in a few minutes at 4 exact.
Anuja, we can start. It's 4 o'clock.
A very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome all to Spectrum Reloaded 2021. Today, I, Tripti Tyagi, student of FY would like to extend a grand welcome to all the people present here today. who are participating in this gala event. Now, before we start, as per the tradition of MIT World Peace University, we will begin this event on an auspicious note by praying to the Almighty. I now request the host to please play the World Peace Prayer.
नमो जीयाद्या वेद प्रतिपाद्या जय जय स्वसंवेद्या आत्मरूपा देवातुति गणेषु सकलार्थमतिप्रकाशु म्हणे निवृत्तिदासु अवधारि गोदी गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
And now it's time for the Spectrum Bulletin. I request the host to please present it.
Namaste and a very pleasant afternoon to one and all. I am Bhumi Kodwani, student of first year Bachelor's in Journalism and Mass Communication. On behalf of MIT World Peace University School of Media and Journalism, I welcome you all to an exciting extravaganza, Spectrum Reloaded 2021. Last year, in the first edition of Spectrum, we witnessed a very strong participation from across the globe, which made it a grand success. This year, we're back with more energy, more enthusiasm, and more entertainment. There are 6 categories of participation in total, which are singing, dancing, monologue, instrumental, storytelling, and poetry. But before we move forward to witness some exceptional talent of this year's Spectrum, let's have a quick look back at some of the moments of Spectrum 2020. Roll the clip.
Year 2020 was a very difficult, but at the same time, a very interesting year for all of us. It made each one of us realize how things can change and twist the situation. Even after going through the pandemic situation, MIT WPU School of Media and Journalism managed to showcase talent through the online medium. Spectrum 2020 was the first of its kind to call people from all age groups together to showcase their talents via different categories like singing, dancing, monologue, instrumental, and whatnot. We saw exceptional talent and were able to foster a strong community of artists. We all have an unexpected reserve of strength that emerges when life puts us to the test. And this is how Spectrum expects to see what kind of artistic strength one has. The event made us realize that nothing is impossible when there is talent inside you that can join boundaries and make us stand united. This year, MIT WPU has come back with its Spectrum event for all of you.
आंखों में खुशी, लबों पर हंसी, गम का कोई नाम न हो। ये दिन लाए आपकी जिंदगी में इतनी खुशियां जिसकी कभी शाम न हो। As you saw the last year's glimpse, I can tell you that this year it's going to be more and just more entertaining, at the same time exciting. So what are you waiting for? Join me to witness the spectacular event of Spectrum 2021. I am joining right now the live inaugural session followed by poetry, this year's first event. I am Harshal Kunte signing off. See you later. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.
I hope this only elevated the excitement that has been planned for today. I now request everyone to turn on their cameras for the group picture. Can everyone turn on their cameras, please?
Request Pro VC sir to please come on camera. I genuinely request him. Kindly come on camera.
Sir will be back in minute, so we can have one more group selfie with him.
Yes, ma'am.
I can see that energy on each and every face. All are smiling from year to year. So great pic we are going to have here. Sir is here.
Okay, are we all ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes, we all are ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Everybody kindly smile, please.
And then please very much legible on each and everyone's face. So all the best.
Good afternoon and a warm welcome to all the MIT WPU dignitaries, guests, judges, faculty members on the digital dais and all the participants. I, Arya Bora, student of third year BA Journalism and Mass Communication, and Tripti Tyagi, student of first year BA JMC, will be your hosts for today's event. I'm excited and grateful to be here on the behalf of the entire Spectrum team. We look forward to making this event exciting and full of zest, fun, and delight.
And now I am more than delighted to welcome our beloved Dean, Dr. Anuradha Parashar ma'am, Faculty of Fine Arts, Liberal Arts, Media and Journalism. Without her support and supervision, this event couldn't have been put up today. She always inspires us in all facets. And on behalf of School of Media and Journalism, I take this opportunity to thank you for providing this platform for us. I now request Dean ma'am to address all the participants and everyone attending today's program.
Thank you, Tripti. Very good evening to one and all, respected dignitaries, faculty members, staff, our great performing participants and attendees of Spectrum 2021. This cultural extravaganza.
Minus 0.001.
May I request host to mute all? Yeah. So I was sharing that this cultural extravaganza, it is organized by MIT WPU School of Media and Journalism at Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT World Peace University, which is in Pune, India. And it is indeed my privilege and honor to extend a warm welcome to all esteemed, distinguished members on this virtual dais, as well as all participants to inauguration ceremony of Spectrum Reloaded 2021. And we are happy to share that inaugural session, it will be graced by the presence of a charismatic leader, a great visionary, a great source of motivation and inspiration, Shri Rahul V. Karad sir, Executive President, MIT World Peace University. And we will also be joined by the gracious presence of an inspirational leader, motivation persona, a visionary, the Kulguru of the university, Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor N.T. Rao. And please join me in welcoming Up-Kulguru, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor R.M. Chitnis Sir, who is here present amongst us and who is a great source of motivation, inspiration, a dynamic leader and a multifaceted personality. And I requested sir also to, if he can have some performance, during instrumental day on mouth organ. So welcome, sir. I earnestly extend a hearty welcome to one and all to inaugural session of MIT WPU Spectrum 2021 at Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT World Peace University. On my behalf and on behalf of our revered Honorable President, Professor Vishwanath D. Karad sir, Honorable Executive President, Shri Rahul V. Karad sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor N.T. Rao sir, and Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor R.M. Chitnis, school heads, program heads, faculty, staff, and students of School of Media and Journalism. I extend hearty welcome to one and all to inaugural ceremony of MIT WPU Spectrum 2021. We all at MIT WPU FLFMJ, as it is called, Faculty of Media and Journalism, Liberal Arts, Fine Arts, Law, we all are delighted. All faculty, students, everyone is very delighted and happy that we have assembled here to inaugurate the second edition. This is the second edition of Spectrum 2021. We are inaugurating it today. And that too in a very powered incarnation and avatar by name Spectrum Reloaded. And participation in this event, Spectrum 2021, it is open to all artists from all age group, profession, and geographic location. And for an artist, or for that matter, whether it is a poet or an instrumentalist or a singer or a dancer or a photographer or a storyteller or a monologue artist, in our call to participation, we have said, age is just a number and your talent will never expire and it will never fail you. So talent has no expiry date. And this platform is open platform for all members of society. And I'm happy to share that in the second edition of Spectrum, we are adding one more event, which is storytelling, to make Spectrum more colorful and more vibrant. And I'm sure that all events of Spectrum Reloaded will galvanize and will bring the vibe of positivity. That's what we have, aspired for through this Spectrum Reloaded. And I'm equally happy to share that we have, last year, we received a very overwhelming response. And this year also, it is much higher than that. And participants from various fields, areas, age group, profession, and from across location, they will be participating in this Spectrum Reloaded. And last year, in first edition of Spectrum 2020, we got a very good response even from international participants and delegates who also were contesting along with all other participants from, we got a response, good response from Netherlands, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Poland, France, and like that various other countries. The meaning of Spectrum, as we have called out in our call for participation, is color of different artistic skills and prowess. And these Spectrum colors will comprise of various performances and competitions in the poetry, recitation, vocal, instrumental, singing, dancing, storytelling. And we invite through this platform all members of society at large. We say this platform Spectrum is a Swar Samvad. We have Samvad platform, which is meant for intellectual discussion in all areas of knowledge society, multidisciplinary areas of knowledge society. We have Sofa Talks, which is specifically a specialized platform for experts and resource persons from fine arts and applied arts area. And this is Swar Samvad. So we invite all members of society at large to participate as well as to benefit from all events of Spectrum 2021 and to make all events The names Kavya Pradarshan, Kirdar, Rangmanch, Vadya Manch, Mehfil Dastan, Nrityotsav, a grand success. So we look forward to welcome all members of society during these events. Usually we get to see rainbow when rain is over, even though it's not raining here. Last year also it happened. This year also it will happen that today, due to Spectrum Reloaded, we are starting that at MIT WPU School of Media and Journalism. So we all at MIT WPU School of Media and Journalism, we wish to assure all the participants that you all will witness together a continuum of different colors of life through poetry recitation, dance, singing, instrumental, storytelling events. And I'm sure all participants will be rejoiced to see the unique, memorable rainbow through MIT WPU Spectrum Reloaded. I know there's Galaxy of Artists who will be performing in Spectrum Reloaded, and from bottom of my heart, I will come and thank all of them, for all the performing participants of Spectrum. I can sense all participants, they are quite enthusiastic. They are ready to give tough competition to each other through their artistic creativity, and some innovation also they are going to come up with. So it's going to be very, very tough for the judges to decide the winners. And I earnestly thank all the judges of Spectrum 2021 for consenting to be on the panel. And I can make out that attendees are now very curiously waiting to witness colors of Spectrum. So lastly, I compliment and congratulate MIT WPU, MIT World Peace University School of Media and Journalism for organizing series of events as part of Swar Samvad Spectrum 2021 under Faculty of Media and Journalism, Fine Arts, Liberal Arts, Law. This is FLFMJ Spectrum Reloaded. So I wish to congratulate and compliment Akshita, who is the faculty coordinator for Spectrum, and Dr. Preeti, Anuja, Anurag, Ashwant, Vikas, Shriju, Mithila, and all FLFMJ faculty members, and more importantly, all my dear students of MIT WPU School of Media and Journalism. Congratulations and compliments for organizing Spectrum 2021 with covering all colors of artistic skills and prowess. And a special mention with a high appreciation note to all my dear BA Journalism and Mass Communication student, MIT WPU BA Journalism and Mass Communication students and student coordinators of Spectrum Organizing Committee from Media School, Shreya, Parasnas, and Anushka Patel, and all other members of student organizing team for planning this event and for executing and organizing it so well, and supporting faculty in this. I can see student moderator, they had started this event so well, Arya and Tripti. They are all set to take the proceeding forward. And so finally, before I end my speech, I wish to recite a few lines from the poem of Shri Prasad, which I did recited at earlier occasion. I will take few lines from that. Baras baras badal bikhra hai, आसमान धुलकर निखरा है, किरणें खिलखिल झांक रही है, अपनी शोभा आंक रही है, धरती के छोरों तक मिलता, आसमान के ऊपर खिलता, रंग हरा नारंगी पीला, लाल बैंगनी नीला नीला, आसमान का रंग मिला फिर, इंद्रधनुष सतरंग खिला फिर, बूंदे जब झड़ती हो झरझर, किरणें उतर रही हो सरसर, बूंदों से जब किरणें मिलती, इंद्रधनुष बनकर के खिलती। तो ऐसे इंद्रधनुष बनकर के खिलती, स्पेक्ट्रम रीलोडेड बनकर के खिलती। At the end, I wish all the best to all the performing participants to come out exceptionally outstanding in Spectrum Reloaded. So everyone, let's come together to embrace MIT WPU Spectrum 2021 at MIT World Peace University, and wishing all performing participants a great, joyful gala Spectrum evening, and to all the participants. And I wish this I recited last time also, you know, कि आप सभी इंद्रधनुष बन के खिलते रहें और हमेशा खुश रहें और स्पेक्ट्रम में आते रहें और MIT WPU के इवेंट्स की शान आपके पार्टिसिपेशन से बनाते रहें. So once again, welcome to this great cultural extravaganza and gala evening and Spectrum Reloaded at MIT World Peace University School of Media and Journalism at Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT World Peace University, Pune, India. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now it's my honor to introduce a very cheerful and wise personality, our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. R.M. Chitnis sir, whose sage words always enlighten us and navigate us to the path of wisdom. Sir has never failed us to motivate through the times we've needed a bit of a nudge. I now invite on stage our Pro Vice Chancellor, R.M. Chitnis sir, to encourage our fellow participants and audience.
Thank you so much. Good evening to all of you. Dr. Parashar, Dean, all the heads of school, Dr. Preeti Joshi, and others, and all the faculty members, and dear wonderful students. I congratulate all of you for making Spectrum Reloaded happen during the second year close down of pandemic 19. We all look for good moments, golden moments. And these type of moments, even I was very keen and eager. And because of your very, very hard work, songs, drama, instrumental music, poems, and so many other activities like Mushaira is going to happen. Who doesn't want cultural activities? That is what is said. But do you know the truth that on this planet, 1 million plus different species stay? Elephants are there, tigers are there, shark fish is there, birds are there, snakes are there, and human beings are also there. But do you know that cultural activities can be understood and performed only by human beings? Tiger may be very powerful. Elephant could be very mammoth, but he is not been given that kind of a capacity to understand what is poem. Great music director. You take anyone which whom you like as a young generation. If performs in front of donkey, what will happen? Nothing. He will not understand. And that's why let's try to understand that someone has written recently history of this world for last 13 lakh years. He is an Israeli writer, a professor in Israel University. And everyone is quoting. His name is Professor Dr. Harari. And he says that human being with its own capacity of understanding academics, understanding co-curricular, and understanding cultural activities could take control of this entire universe, not only planet. He controls. But I want to attract your attention towards today's first episode of Kavya or poems. Literature is going to be the major part of your career. Good words used by you, good destiny you create yourself. Because good words actually create a great person in you, bad words not. There is the destiny also, but there is a niyat also. What kind of person you are? What is your niyat? And do you know how niyat is created? By the kind of languages and thoughts you have in your mind. And one share for you on this niyat. जिसकी जैसी नीयत है, कोई परिंदों के लिए बंदूक लेके आता है, तो कोई परिंदों के लिए पानी. And this kind of a niyat actually creates your career once you have a power with you. Now, are we there to identify some good poems and start writing, or at least enjoy the good poems, good words. It is not the money, it is not the wealth, it is not the success which makes you great in this world, but it makes you great in this world because of your affection and love. And those who are affectionate and loving, they always have a great language. Bad words used might, sometimes kill someone internally. Physically, the person may be lying. And that's why I use good words. And for you, on the good and bad words. लफ्जों से इतना आशिकाना ठीक नहीं. लफ्जों से, words. लफ्जों से इतना आशिकाना ठीक नहीं. It's a paradox. किसी के दिल पार हुए तो कहीं का इल्जाम हो गया कि शब्दों से ने आपने किसी का कत्ल किया. And you may not like comparison I'll be doing between old songs and new songs, because you all like new songs where the wordings are not so great, especially when you compare. Person like me always compares. When I was in college, what kind of song? Parashar ma'am is very younger to me, but she will also subscribe to my thoughts that the songs then, when she was in school, I would have been in college. So we're great because of the wording. We remember the song not because of only the singers or the tune made by the music director, but primarily because of the words. Let's take, some of the emotions like romance. And someone says, "Khab ho tum ya koi hakikat." And let my other colleagues complete that song. It comes to your mind and your entire antibodies get created. You are totally different. Maybe Priti, you know the wording? Do you know this song?
Yes, sir.
Koi hakikat. Kaun batlao. देर से
कितनी दूर खड़ी हो.
और करीब हो.
Yes, sir.
But all this ends somewhere. All whatever we are doing, then we become, career oriented, we get married, we have children, and then children also grow up, and then we become old. And then again, it comes to the thoughts which are made primarily out of world. You are all aware that we are in transit on this planet. Everyone's ticket is booked. We are musafir of this planet. But our role changes when we are young, and our role changes when we are old. When you are in college, you look for someone whom you like, apne. And on that line, musafir kal bhi tha, musafir aaj bhi hu. Kal apnon ki talash mein tha, aaj apni khud ki talash mein hu. The entire life in 4 lines. Entire lines in 4 lines. Entire life in 4 lines. I have to stop here. I'm getting a call. And wish you all the best. Enjoy yourself. These moments will not come back in your life. There's some song which says that Zindagi ka safar kaisa safar, koi samjha nahi, koi jana nahi. But on this line, these moments, there is another beautiful song. Maybe at valedictory, I will try to recite that. Thank you very much for giving me a chance. I don't know if I was given 5 or 3 minutes, but 6-7 minutes I spoke. Thank you very much. All the best to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. Old is gold indeed. And thank you so much for your enlightening words. It's always a pleasure to hear from you.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much, sir.
I seldomly get an opportunity to talk to you, so I used it this time.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. And now, our Executive President, Mr. Rahul Vishwanath Karad, sir, who has always been committed to channelizing the power of youth by ensuring that our true potentials are realized, by providing us with a value-based approach towards our education system. With an aim to nurture the culture of peace, making education his vocation, he is indeed a dynamic personality. And our Vice Chancellor, Dr. N.T. Rao sir, whose ever pleasant aura makes the arena positive and cheered. His dynamic vision and dedication are making our schools grow stronger by each day and advancing towards the pinnacle of success and growth. And even though they aren't here with us today due to prior engagements and commitments, I'm happy that we have their blessings and compliments with us today. Now moving on to welcoming our head of school, dearest Dr. Preeti Joshi ma'am, PhD from the Savitribai Phule Pune University in English Language and Communication. She has been associated with the education field since past 14 years. She's been serving as the head faculty of liberal arts at MIT WPU since the past 7 years, with additional charge of head faculty of media and journalism. Her research is based on the impact of modern communication tools on English language, which has received recognition on many international platforms, by way of getting an opportunity to present the research and getting the articles published in prestigious international journals. I would now request ma'am to say a few words on this graceful occasion.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Trupti. Such a wonderful introduction, but I am a member of family. But thanks for such a wonderful introduction, because listening what we did in the past, that's really mesmerizing me. And it makes me feel very good. So thank you, Trupti. Thanks again. And I'm taking back again to the spectrum, what we have started now. This is inaugural session, and I'm very sure you all are very excited. I can see it on your faces, whoever are there on the screen. Even teachers also, like they are fully excited what's going to happen. And for Spectrum, in this inaugural session, you must have got to know the other side of the personality of all the dignitaries in the university. Dean ma'am, you must have seen reciting the poems. She sings the songs also. So you'll get to know other side of personality, not only from the students, not only from the performance, but all the members who are there in the family of FLFMJ. Even Chitni sir also talked about very good old song that really made us very happy. And those songs of Kishore Kumar, then Lata Mangeshkar, it's like a series of those songs start lingering in your mind immediately, and that makes the atmosphere totally different. It's charged up now. So with this charge, I know that you all are very excited. So without any further ado, I think we should go ahead for the next part of this Spectrum Reloaded session. But before we go ahead, as we all know that we are witnessing this session, we are going to be a part of this session or Spectrum Reloaded event. But people who have contributed, who made this event possible to happen, we should be very grateful to them. We should be very thankful to them. So first of all, I would like to thank the university leadership, that is Dr. V.D. Karad sir, who is the founder president of MIT World Peace University, our executive president, Shri Rahul B. Karad sir. They always motivate us, and they are very keen on starting such kind of initiatives or such kind of events, because they all believe that along with academics, other side of the personality is also equally important. So they just allow us to tap our potential and find out what we are best at. So we really thank university leadership once again. At the same time, we do thank Dr. N.T. Rao, who is Vice Chancellor of MIT World Peace University, Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. R.M. Chitnis, whom you listened just now. He is always a source of inspiration for all of us. And Dean, Professor Anuradha Parashar ma'am, who is always supports us for everything. This Spectrum Reloaded also, that's her initiative. She started, she came up with the plan, she explained us. So it's her idea to go ahead with such kind of performances. So I really thank Dean ma'am, Parashar ma'am. And then their vision, their dream coming into reality, our faculty members. So SOMJ, each and every faculty, School of Media and Journalism, so short form is SOMJ. You all are very much familiar of it. So all faculty members, Akshata, who is coordinating for this event, Anurag, Anuja, Ashwant, Sriju, each and every faculty member, including Mithila ma'am, I really want to thank them, who really meticulously worked on each and everything, backdrop, minute to minute, then bulletin. So all these activities, all these things are done by the faculty members. So I really want to thank them. I take this opportunity to thank for whatever contribution they have done for this Spectrum. And last but not the least, without whom this event was not possible at all. Though we dream big, though we plan big, but without students who are participating in this, who are coordinating for this event, I really want to give them a big thank. Without them, this was not at all possible. And the cherry on the top, I would say, all the judges who have given their consent and spared their time to come here and enjoy the performances of all the participants, and at the same time evaluating them, judging them, because it's a competition at the end. So I really thank on behalf of Faculty of Fine Arts, Media and Journalism to each and everyone who contributed to make this Spectrum Reloaded happen. So thank you so much once again, and over to you, Trupti.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was indeed beautiful. Before we begin this spectacular event, let me now give you a brief insight to our university, to all the participants. MIT World Peace University is situated in Pune, which is the cultural capital of Maharashtra in India. Our university is popularly known as MIT WPU. It is the center for scientific, educational, technological, and spiritual development. MIT WPU offers UG, PG, PhD, and diploma certificate programs in liberal arts, fine arts, media and journalism, engineering, pharmacy, management, design, political leadership, governance, education, law, and computer sciences. At any given point of time, more than 60,000 students are pursuing various courses across 65,000 plus institutes of MIT. Thank you for that wonderful introduction. Now coming to our Department School of Media and Journalism. It is an institution which has given us the opportunity to grow as independent individuals and bring out the best of our talents. We are grateful to our school to provide us this platform to exhibit our ingenious and gifted potentials and various undiscovered skill sets yet to unfold and amaze everyone. The moment has finally arrived, and I once again welcome you all to this event. Spectrum means a band of colors that gives meaning to our lives and makes even an ordinary element a beautiful one. Today we have a beautiful event of poetry, Kavya Pradarshan, a blank canvas for so many undiscovered poets to paint their words with. It is an event under the auspicious Swar Samvad series.
आओ सुनाए बिखरे रंगों की एक कहानी जिसके बिना अधूरी है ये जिंदगानी बिखर कर सिमटना जिसने सिखाया उन्हीं रंगों ने आसमान भरकर दिखाया देखा जब रंगों का पिटारा खोलकर रंग दिए सारे ख्वाब अपने मैंने जोड़ जोड़ कर ये कोरा कागज ये काली तख्ती जो हर एक रंग का हिसाब रखती इस रंगों के जहां में हम भी एक रंग है इस जिंदगी की तस्वीर में हर एक रंग मलंग है आसमान से लेकर जमीन तक सब यहाँ रंगीन है हर एक रंग की है अलग कहानी बस इन्हीं की बदौलत है हमारी जिंदगानी We bring to you Spectrum Reloaded 2021, brimming with the shades of different artistic skills. And today we start with poetry. I would like to ask our honorable guests to grant us a permission and blessings to begin this competition. So on a very positive note, we begin. I request all the participants to abide by the time limit, that is 3 minutes, and I wish you all the best with your respective performances.
So our first contestant is Achal Gupta, and I would request her to present her poem now.
Thank you. Just a second. Good evening to everyone present here. I am Achal Gupta, an 18-year-old humanities student from Pune. Today, I'll be taking you on a heart-wrenching journey, a journey of accusation, a journey of despair, and most importantly, a journey of truth. Innocence is often taken for granted, but how far will you go to prove yours? In a world where no one believes you, who it is that you will turn to? Well, hold on to your horses, because this story is raring to go. An innocent accused. An innocent's sanity was tried, herself into oblivion, she cried. No sooner had her tears dried, she was accused for many people who died. She's just an innocent accused. To listen to whose... I'm sorry. She's just an innocent accused. To listen to whose appeal people refused. By terrorists, she is being used. So help her against being abused. Lifting the child from the ground, faced with snipers, by fear in place was she bound. Hands above head in the air, she was gagged. In the back of her mind, worry for her family nagged. And an innocent wrongly caught, leaving her family distraught. I'm innocent, she cried. To her situation, understanding was denied. Face to face with people who stared. About her, none of whom cared. Make a move and I'll kill you, the leader dared. Shaking with fear, she cowered in front of the leader, for above her he towered. During her walk of unearned shame, to smithereens, it broke her name. She has garnered unwanted fame. Support her, she's an innocent dame. To quote, during the long walk, listening to the taunting people talk, what did I ever do wrong, she thinks, to have my life destroyed in just a few blinks? To be accused of terrorist links. Someone understood her plight, helped her put up a fight. Saved by the eyewitness who saw the innocent saving a child from the terrorists' maw. Today's the end of D-Day, when she was given leaving. No longer an innocent accused, truth will always win, she mused. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Achil. That was indeed a spellbinding and amazing performance, I must say. Thank you so much. We really enjoyed watching your performance. Up next, we have Param Lakhani. Over to you.
I hope I'm audible and visible.
Yes, you are.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Param Lakhani, a student of class 12th who has just completed his class 12th, to be honest. I would like to express the agony Mother Earth has been facing, yet slowly reviving itself in the pandemic times. The title of my poem is Heal versus Zeal. The nature will heal while we constrain our zeal. The nature freshly peels while we look at camera reels. The nature has given tree, but humans have cut it free. Soon the flowing creek will be declared humanly Greek. Our nature will perish. There will be no moment to cherish. The only thing left to see is photos which feel glee. We had suppressed our mother, a crime inhumane like no other. It's time for a retaliation, which is a result of her aggravation. God and nature have had this deal. It has been locked with a seal. The nature will heal while we constrain our zeal. The poem talks about how the world has healed itself with literally no human intervention. We have covered the largest ozone hole spread over 1 million square kilometers due to the lockdown imposed around the globe, which literally proves the fact that the nature will heal while we constrain our zeal. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Very insightful of you. And pandemic has indeed been a difficult time for all of us. And congratulations for passing your 12th finally. And up next, our next participant, Ms. Shivani Bhangi. Could we please have you on camera?
When I hear them say, boys don't cry, I wanted to ask them, how pathetic are they from the inside? When they say girls should be quiet, I wish to educate them from the highest pitch of my voice. Boys don't wear pink. This is what they say. I want to tell them to please mind their own business. They say girls should dress decently. I wanted to ask them to open their mind a little bit. Men should be masculine. I heard them say. I wish to laugh at their ridiculous thought process. They say girls aren't funny. I want to use my sarcasm to mock them frequently. For ages they have been saying, men are the head and women are the supporter. I want to ask, how long are we going to agree to this bullshit? Is this how it will be? Are we going to normalize these gender norms and gender inequality? Or are we going to wake up and finally do something about it?
We'll have to personally inform Shivani that that was a good, very good performance. And since she's unwell, she couldn't be here on camera with us. And वैसे तो हमें मालूम है जन्नत की हकीकत, लेकिन दिल को खुश रखने को गालिब ये ख्याल अच्छा है. With this, I would like to call upon our next participant, Saira Qureshi. Ma'am, can you please have you on camera?
Namaskar, Adab. A very good evening to one and all present over here. And I would like to thank a lot Spectrum Reloaded to give us this golden opportunity. Also, I would like to congratulate and wish a very all the best to all my co-participants. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. आज की जो मेरी कविता है उसके लिखने के पीछे का उद्देश्य सिर्फ एक है, क्योंकि मैं इस टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में आ रही हूँ, तो मेरे साथ और जो भी लोग इस प्रोफेशन में आने जा रहे हैं या ऑलरेडी टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में हैं, बहुत जरूरी है कि वो एक तरफा नजरिया छोड़कर हकीकत को पहचाने और जो सवाल मैंने इस कविता में उठाए हैं उन पर गौर करें, तो आगे का रास्ता फिर हमारे लिए काफी आसान हो जाएगा। मेरी कविता का नाम है बचपन। बचपन जो तुमसे कई बार आकर कहता है, मैडम मैडम मेरा सर दुखता है, मैडम मेरा पेट दुखता है, मैडम मैं पानी पी लूं, गला मेरा सूखता है। कई बार दूर कोने में वो अकेला सिमटा सहमा सा खड़ा होता है। कई बार वो हंसी भूलकर उदास बैठा होता है। कई बार वो बेरंग बात बात पर रोता है, और क्योंकि वो बार बार अपना दर्द जाहिर करता है, उसे कड़े शब्दों में डांट दिया जाता है। बहाना समझकर उसे पूरी तरह नजरअंदाज कर दिया जाता है। जरा झांको उसके दिल में, क्या मालूम वो मासूम क्या तकलीफ सहता है। शायद घर पर कोई उस पे अत्याचार करता है, शायद माँ बाप का झगड़ा हुआ करता है जो उस बच्चे के दिल पर असर करता है। शायद माँ बाप वक्त ही नहीं दे पाते उसे, वो टीवी के सहारे वक्त गुजारा करता है। शायद वो लड़की है, उसे लड़के के मुकाबले है। शायद माँ बीमार है, वो टिफिन नहीं ला पाया, भूखे पेट सर उसका दुखता है। बचपन जो कई बार तुमसे आकर कहता है, मम्मी मम्मी मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना। शायद वो टीचर की डांट से डरता है, शायद उसका कोई दोस्त ही नहीं है, वो अकेलेपन का सामना करता है। शायद कोई दूसरा बच्चा उसे बेवजह छेड़ता है, या फिर शायद उसे स्कूल में किसी से खतरा महसूस हुआ करता है। भावनाओं को झंझोड़ने वाली आंधी जब भी आती है, फूलों की नाजुक पंखुड़ियों को गिराकर ही जाती है। जब हम इस शायद के पीछे की कहानी को समझ जाएंगे, तो अपने आंगन में खिले हुए फूलों को फिर कभी मुरझाया हुआ नहीं पाएंगे। अपनी ममता की भावना को जागृत रखना चाहिए। हर एक शिक्षक को माँ के पात्र में भी ढलना चाहिए। हर एक विद्यार्थी के व्यवहार पर गौर करना चाहिए। तो उठो, पूछो सवाल, क्यों सर उसका दुखता है, क्यों पेट दुखता है, क्यों गला सूखता है। अगर वो भूखा है तो बाकी बच्चों के टिफिन में से उसे कुछ हिस्सा दिया जा सकता है। अगर वो अकेला है तो उसका सबसे परिचय कराया जा सकता है। शायद उसकी किसी खास कला को निखारा जा सकता है। अगर टीचर से डरता है तो उस पर विचार विमर्श किया जा सकता है। शायद, इस शायद को समझना होगा। अपनी ममता की भावना को जागरूक रखना होगा। अपनी एक तरफा नजरिए को बदलना होगा। हमें ये कदम उठाना होगा। धीरज की नरमाई को अपने बर्ताव में लाना होगा। इन मासूमों के करीब, बहुत करीब जाना होगा। हर बच्चे के भविष्य को सुरक्षित करने में ही है समाज का कल्याण। इन्हीं कोशिशों से होगा उज्जवल भारत का निर्माण। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, वेरी टचिंग पोम, बहुत ही खूबसूरत कविता एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. Harmonical thrills, untold symphonies made my muse once seemed impassable. Seraphic embracing of mystical elixir, binding souls ringed in a fable. Poetry is the utmost clear expression of our mixed feelings, and I find this very beautiful. And without taking up any more time, now we have Suchita Basu coming up on this virtual stage with her poetry.
Good evening, everyone. Hello, beautiful people. I'm Suchita Basu, a 22-year-old pursuing a degree in BBA in event management from NIM Pune. And so my poem is inspired with social stigmas such as log kya kahenge or gender equality, and so through my writing I want to change such stigmas and hopefully, without further ado, let's jump into it. सपने खुद को जकड़ के रखती इस सोच में कि कभी गलत जाऊं वरना लोग क्या कहेंगे, या लड़ जाऊं अपने तो पराए हुए उस समय जब वह कह पड़े अब तो वह इसके हाथों, सॉरी, अब तो अपने तो कह पड़े अब तो वक्त आ गया इसके हाथों में चाकू छुरा और लाइटर थमाए। अब तो सपने ही हैं जो लगने लगे अपने। कभी कभी इस सोच में खो जाती कि भाई के जैसे मैं भी कर लिया। जब आंखें खुली गहरी नींद से बोल अच्छा हुआ ये एक सपना था, पर पता क्यों भी एक हो जाता एहसास रहता, क्योंकि सपने तो आजाद, क्या मैं आजाद। Hello.
Hello, Suchita.
Yes.
You could turn off your camera, maybe then we would have you, we could have your clear voice because you're not clearly audible.
Okay. Is it all right now?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Okay. So should I repeat my poem?
I think you could start again. You weren't audible from the start.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. I'm so sorry. So I'm Suchita Basu, and I'm a 23-year-old pursuing event management, BBA in event management from NIM Pune. And my poem Sapni is inspired through the social stigmas of log kya kahenge or gender inequality, which in the 21st century I feel shouldn't exist, and which I want to hopefully break and inspire people through my writing. So here goes. सपने खुद को जकड़ के रखती इस सोच में कि कहीं कुछ गलत ना कर जाऊं वरना लोग क्या कहेंगे। पर क्या ये जंग हार जाऊं या लड़ जाऊं? अपने तो पराए हुए उस समय जब वह कह पड़े, अब तो वक्त आ गया इसके हाथों में चाकू, छुरा और लाइटर थमाए। अब सपने ही हैं जो लगने लगे अपने। कभी कभी इस सोच में खो जाती कि भाई के जैसे 2 कमाई की रोटी मैं भी घर ले आती। पता नहीं क्यों फिर जब आंखें खुली गहरी नींद से तो खुद से बोल पड़ी, अच्छा हुआ ये एक सपना था। पता नहीं क्यों फिर भी एक घुटन सा एहसास रहता, क्योंकि सपने तो आजाद है, पर क्या मैं आजाद हूँ? थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Suchita. Indeed, a very beautiful performance. Spellbinding, I must say. And with this, I would like to call upon our next participant, Charuta Sahasrabuddhe. Ma'am, could we please have you on our virtual stage, please?
Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're
Hello?
audible.
Yeah, okay. I don't know what happened to my camera. Just a minute, I'll just. Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Charuta Sahasrabuddhe. I'm 44 years old. I'm a teacher and I'm also a student of education field from MIT WPU, Pune. My poem is in Marathi language, but I'll give a little bit summary of my poem in Hindi so that it will be easy for you to understand. ये छोटी सी कहानी है सूखे पेड़ की किनारे पे लेटे हुए शंख की, सुंदर तितली के टूटे हुए पंख की। सब तन्हा है, उम्मीद खो चुके हैं। ऐसे में बसंत ऋतु आता है और चारों ओर आनंद फैलाता है। लहरें शंख को लपेट लेती है, कोई युवती पंख को हृदय से लगाती है, दिल से दिल का रिश्ता जुड़ जाता है। Now I'll start my poem. The name of the poem is Nava Chaitanya. उजाड वृक्ष गवत खुरटे पसरले माळावरती, ओसाड वैराण धरती म्हणून सारे तिज हिणविती. झडली पाने शुष्क एकटे उभे झाड त्या रानी, पर्णहीन फांद्यातून वारा गाई उदास विरानी. दूर किनारी एकला रेतीवरी पहुडे एक शिंपला, आठवत्यास लाटेवरून घेत असे तो हिंदोळा. प्रियजन सारे दूर राहिले विसरले आपणासी, विचार येता आसवे गळती पुसतो सागरासी. घेई झेप आकाशी फुलपाखरू गंध वेडे, रंग भरल्या आकाशाची भूल वेड्यास पडे. वाऱ्याचा मग झोत आला फुलपाखरास घेऊन गेला, नाजूक सुंदर पंख एकला लहरत माती वरी पडला. रंगहीन गंधहीन जीवन भासे पडले सारे एकाकी, विशाल ह्या जगी कोणी ना पुसे कोणासी. अन न जाणे कोठुनी कैसा हासत नाचत ऋतुराज आला, शुष्क वैराण फांदीवरती चैत्र पल्लवी देऊनी गेला. सागरास येता भरती अवखळ लाटा गिरक्या घेती, रेतीवरचा तो शिंपला कोणी लाट कवेत घेती. मातीवरचा पंख मुलायम वाट पाहतो स्पर्शाची, अबोल मुग्ध युवती धरे त्यास हृदयासी. मुग्ध मनोहर दृश्य सारे चित्त कसे मोहरले, या हृदयाचे त्या हृदयाशी जे नाते ते उलगडले, जे नाते ते उलगडले. धन्यवाद.
खूप सुंदर मॅम, थँक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Spectrum Reloaded, for giving us this opportunity.
थैंक यू मैम. मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. Next up, I would like to call Sukriti Gupta. Can we please have you on camera?
Good evening and namaskar everyone. I'm Sukriti Gupta. Currently, I'm in the final year of BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. So I'll brief you about the poem that I've written and I'm going to present today. You know, we all know that the cases of depression and anxiety have been skyrocketing over the past few years. People have lost all sense of life. We are working 24/7, working like machines, never stopping at all. People don't even have the time to talk to each other. There are just fake conversations starting with, hey, how are you? All good. And then ending with a goodbye, talk to you later. So nobody actually gets a chance to tell how they really feel because maybe nobody is actually interested in listening to them. So one day, even if you reach at the top, become all rich and successful, unfortunately, there's no one to celebrate your victory with. Because at the top, there's only more power, more pressure, more work, more loneliness, and depression. So this poem urges you to reflect on that and stop for a little bit, be more kind and be more human. So it goes like, क्या खूब लिखा है ना गुलजार ने, जिंदगी यूं हुई बसर तन्हा, काफिला साथ और सफर तन्हा. सोचती हूँ कि हम भी तो किसी भीड़ का हिस्सा है ना, अपना भी तो कुछ ऐसा ही किस्सा है ना. बाहर शोर, भीतर तन्हाई, बाहर एक बनावटी मुस्कान, भीतर खुद से खुद की लड़ाई. बाहर रफ्तार तो भीतर कभी ना खत्म होती एक थकान. बाहर से सब ठीक ही तो हैं, पर भीतर से कितने परेशान. ये भीड़ हम जैसे तन्हा मुसाफिरों से ही तो बनती है, जिन्हें हर वक्त कहीं पहुंचने की जल्दी है, जिन्हें ना सुध है न कोई होश, कदम तेजी से चलते हैं जिनके, और चेहरे हैं कितने खामोश. मैं तुम न जाने क्या पाने के लिए खुद को कतरा कतरा खो रहे हैं, न जाने कहाँ जाने की जल्दी है, कहाँ पहुंचना है हमें, जो हर रोज एक भीड़ में गुम हो रहे हैं. हाँ जानती हूँ, ये जिंदगी जितनी सुंदर है ना, इसे जीना पल थक कर कहीं रुक गए, पर अगर हम इस भीड़ का हिस्सा हैं तो इसे कुछ बेहतर भी तो बना सकते हैं. सबके भीतर जो एक गहरी सी तन्हाई है, कोशिश करने पर उसे कुछ मिटा भी तो सकते हैं. जो लोगों से बच के उन्हें अनदेखा कर तुम चलते जाते हो, कभी उन्हें देख मुस्कुराकर 2 कदम साथ भी चल लिया करो. सिर्फ बात करने के लिए बात मत किया करो, उसे सुनने और समझने का वक्त हो तो सवाल किया करो. कुछ ख्याल रखा करो अपना, कुछ दूजे की भी खैरियत जान लिया करो. ये जो बावहीन मशीन बन गए हैं ना हम, चलो फिर से इंसान बनते हैं. अगर काफिला साथ हो तो सफर तन्हा नहीं, मजेदार करते हैं. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Sukriti. Those words couldn't have been more relatable. और अब गुलजार का जिक्र हुआ ही है, तो अर्ज किया है, जिंदगी जख्मों से भरी है माना, वक्त को मरहम बनाना सीख लो. मौत से एक दिन हारना है जरूर, जिंदगी से तो जीतना सीख लो. And with that, I would like to call upon Sri Vidya ma'am. If you could please come on camera.
Hello, good evening to all the panelists and participants. I'm just 18, no need to call me ma'am. I am Sri Vidya, you can call me Vidya. I am 18, I'm studying in MIT World Peace University, Pune, doing ABA Honors English Literature. And my poem is called Lone Star. It was written at a time when I was feeling the weight of the negativities around the world and found hope from a very unexpected source. I hope you enjoy my poem. Lone Star. The earth at night always invokes deeper thoughts, with thousands of lights indicating the presence of life. The night sky above is a dome to protect us, and simultaneously, it is a vast abyss that houses Earth. The cacophony of the workings of the world are overwhelming, and so I take a moment away from it all. In solitude, I walk away from humanity, out to the balcony, looking up into the void, and there I see you, a single star glittering across a cloudless sky. Where are your companions? Where are the other stars? I usually see a dozen more in the night. Tonight, you are alone, scintillating amidst blackness from a billion light years away. Silence is the language of space. Silence is the language of the spirit and the treasure found in solitude. I drown out the workings of the real world and listen to what you might have to say. Are you also reclusive from the rest of your kind? Are you alone in the darkness as well? We may be far apart, but we are similar. Two sources of light in a world so dark, shining despite it all. You do not have a constellation to belong to, and I am yet to find my place amongst my kind. Tonight, we are one. Oh, lone star, how brave must you be to fight for so long by yourself? The darkness is overpowering and it is vast and threatens to drown us all someday. And yet, you have been shining for centuries, and you will shine on for millennia to come. How does your spirit not succumb to the dark? I am in awe of your perseverance and the truth you reveal to me. The fight against evil may seem overwhelming, but we are never alone, not truly. Tonight, we have each other. Tomorrow, you might have other stars, and I, other people. To keep fighting, even if you seem alone. To flicker, but to keep on shining still, is what you have taught me tonight. I send my love for the universe out to you. A single star can keep away the darkness. And love is so powerful, it can ignite the universe. The child inside me reminds me that you can grant me a wish. I smile to myself. To appeal the inner childlike spirit and to give a light of hope to my darker thoughts, I wish upon you. I wish for change. I wish for us to cease being alone. I wish to find people who embrace me as a whole and for you to find a constellation to be a part of so we can shimmer against the darkness together. You will shine on long after I leave the mortal world, but even stars burn out with time. But 1,000 others will pick up where we left off and continue the fight, bringing about a wave of change, doing what is right, ensuring a victory for the light. Tonight, we are the heralds of positive change and the poets of an inevitable prophecy. The darkest nights open gateways to the brightest sunrises. But that is for the future, one that will correct the mistakes of the past. Tonight, it is still just the two of us. And for the enlightenment you generously gave to me, I can only give my love and gratitude in return, along with a promise to twinkle with light in the heart of darkness, to inspire others to keep on shining, just like you have inspired me tonight. Oh, lone star, keep on sparkling and know that you are never alone. Thank you.
That was put up really, really beautifully. Thank you so much. Next up, we have Shivam Bhadyadra, but unfortunately, he wasn't able to attend it, but he was really, really eager to do it. So, could we please have his clip played?
अपने दर्द को तो हर कोई देता है ज़ुबान, कभी किसी और का भी दुख नाप कर देखिए, अपने परेशानियों से बाहर झांक कर देखो, क्या पता कोई और ज़्यादा तन्हा मिल जाए। अपने दर्द को तो हर कोई देता है ज़ुबान, कभी किसी और का भी दुख नाप कर देखिए, अपनों का सहारा देता है हर कोई, अपनों का सहारा देता है हर कोई, किसी दफ़ा गैरों को पूछिए हाल, क्या पता उन्हें कोई प्यारा मिल जाए। अपने दर्द को तो हर कोई देता है ज़ुबान, कभी किसी और को तो दुख नाप कर देखिए, अपना फ़ायदा और अपना ही नुकसान की किताब होती सबके पास है, परखो किसी और की किताब कभी तो, और अंदाज़ लगाओ अपनी औकात का, क्या पता मिल जाए कोई अमीर अपनी ही बर्बादी का। अपने ही दर्द को तो हर कोई देता है ज़ुबान, कभी किसी और का तो दुख नाप कर देखिए जनाब। साथ है हम खुद के, साथ है हम खुद के, क्यों ना बने किसी के हमदर्द, क्या पता मिल जाए सुकून किसी के ही अनजाने का। अपने दर्द को तो हर कोई देता है ज़ुबान, कभी किसी और का तो दुख नाप कर देखिए। थैंक यू।
Next up, we have Sophia Nurana, but she couldn't be here as well because she is in Kuwait and because of the time zone, she couldn't participate. But I request the host to play her video too.
Hi everyone, this is Sophia Narona with you, reporting from Kuwait. I'm 25, I work in an advertising agency as a media coordinator. First off, I'd like to thank MIT World Peace University for hosting this lovely event. More about my poem, I will be reciting the poem Cats in Space. It speaks about depression leading to suicidal thoughts. So, without further ado, Cats in Space. One day, the cat under my bed leaped out and whispered in my ears, whiskers tickling my skin, sending chills down my spine. Why did it not meow like all the other times and leave me wondering? He uttered clear words that said, "Till death do us part," and left me in a trance I wanted to escape. Like a black hole ready to suck me into its galaxy, the cat walked across my legs and lay beside me. The cat is asleep now, shush. You'll be fine once it's done and you're gone. Thank you.
अर्ज किया है, हर रोज गिरकर भी मुकम्मल खड़े हैं। ए जिंदगी देख, मेरे हौसले तुझसे भी बड़े हैं। And with that, I would like to call upon Siddhi Sharma. Could you please come on camera?
Thank you, Arya. Hello, everyone. I am Siddhi Sharma. I'm not sure, going to be in third year very soon of Bachelor's of Journalism and Mass Communication at MIT WPU. I basically come from Jalna. The title of my poem is Ek Anjani Kahani. The language will be Hindi. हम सभी कहीं ना कहीं अनजान हैं और हम सभी की कोई ना कोई कहानी है। तो आज आप सबके सामने मैं प्रस्तुत करने वाली हूँ एक ऐसी ही अनजानी कहानी। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि ये कविता आप सबको पसंद आएगी। तो शुरू करती हूँ। एक छोटे से शहर के छोटे से घर में बड़ी हो रही एक अनजानी हूँ। मेरे दोस्त कहते हैं मैं थोड़ी सी दीवानी हूँ, खुद से कर जाती हूँ बार बार वो एक बेईमानी हूँ। कहानियों के जहान में मैं मेरे सपनों की रानी हूँ। हाँ, मैं वही अनजानी हूँ। माँ पापा के सम्मान की निशानी हूँ। जल्दी लोग जानेंगे मुझे मेरे नाम और मेरे काम से, ऐसी एक कहानी हूँ। हाँ, मैं वही अनजानी हूँ। तुम्हारे गमों को बांट सकूं ऐसी एक शाम सुहानी हूँ। चेहरे से तो नहीं पता पर रूह से रूहानी हूँ। श्रृंगार और कपड़ों से थोड़ी सोच पुरानी हूँ। अपनी जिंदगी को लेकर थोड़ी सी मस्तानी हूँ। रिश्तों के मामले में जानती निभाना रवानी हूँ। हाँ, मैं वही अनजानी हूँ। इस अड़ियल सी दुनिया में बहता पानी हूँ। पत्थरों से भी बात कर लूं ऐसी नादानी हूँ। रुकता नहीं समय किसी के लिए ये मैं मानी हूँ। मेरी गलतियों से सीख रही ऐसी खुद पर की एक निगरानी हूँ। हाँ, मैं वही अनजानी हूँ। लोगों का दिल तोड़ने वाले इस समाज में शायद थोड़ी बेगानी हूँ। उम्मीद अगर राग है तो उम्मीदों से भरी रागिनी हूँ। अपने आप को अगर साबित करने की बात आई तो खड़क वास्ता की उस मसाला गरम चाय से लेकर बन सकती मैं सुजाता की ठंडी मस्तानी भी हूँ। हाँ, मैं वही अनजानी हूँ। एक छोटे से शहर के छोटे से घर में बड़ी हो रही एक अनजानी कहानी हूँ। हाँ, मैं वही अनजानी हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Wow, बहुत खूब. Now, next up, we have Sahil Sharma. He couldn't join us today because of prior engagements. So, thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है साहिल शर्मा और मैं 24 साल का हूँ। मैं स्वतंत्र थिएटर पुणे का एक कलाकार हूँ। आज जो कविता मैं आपके साथ साझा करने जा रहा हूँ वो मैंने आज की परिस्थितियों को देखते हुए लिखी है कि किस तरह आजकल लोग जो हैं वो खुशी ढूंढने के लिए दिन रात एक कर देते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं, मगर फिर भी खुशी के माने जो हैं उनके लिए बदल चुके हैं। असल खुशी क्या है, इस पर मैंने कुछ लिखने की कोशिश की है। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको पसंद आएगा। चलिए देखते हैं। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है तो कहना। लिखा है, चाह जिस्म की रखने वालों, जरा जाम कभी आंखों के पीकर देखो, फिर चाहत जिस्म की भूल ना जाओ तो कहना। ऐ हुस्न की तारीफ करने वालों, ऐ हुस्न की तारीफ करने वालों, कभी झांक कर दिल किसी का देखो, फिर चेहरे लोगों के पढ़ना भूल ना जाओ तो कहना। वक्त बेवक्त ढूंढते तुम सुकून, वक्त बेवक्त ढूंढते तुम सुकून, कभी फुर्सत से बैठकर गजल सुनकर तो देखो, फिर दुनियावी खुशी भूल ना जाओ तो कहना। मंजिल की तमन्ना करने वालों, मंजिल की तमन्ना करने वालों, कभी लुत्फ चलती राहों का लेकर देखो, मंजिल को उसके हाल पर ना छोड़ दिया तो कहना। ऐ हकीकत में जीने वालों, ऐ हकीकत में जीने वालों, कभी खूबसूरती ख्वाबों में जीने की देखो, फिर ये मोह बंधन भूल ना जाओ तो कहना। समंदर के साहिल पर बैठ नज़ारे देखने वालों, समंदर के साहिल पर बैठ नज़ारे देखने वालों, रूबरू वादियों की हवाओं से होकर देखो, फिर तमाम नज़ारे भूल ना जाओ तो कहना। जिंदगी की भाग दौड़ में मसरूफ रहने वालों, जिंदगी की भाग दौड़ में मसरूफ रहने वालों, कभी सितारों में बैठ होश जमाने का गवा कर देखो, जिंदगी जीना ना सीख जाओ तो कहना। बारिश से डर के कैद घर में रहने वालों, बारिश से डर के कैद घर में रहने वालों, कभी बरसात में भीग कर तो देखो, राज छिपे जो दिल में है वो भूल ना जाओ तो कहना। तिनके की आड़ में दुनिया जीतने वालों, तिनके की आड़ में दुनिया जीतने वालों, कभी उसे जला कर तो देखो, फिर अपनी झूठी शान में पानी पानी ना हो जाओ तो कहना। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Now, finally, it's time for the last participant of the day, the most awaited participant of the day. Akshada ma'am, could you please come on camera? Akshada ma'am?
Yes. Good afternoon. I am Akshita Sawant, assistant professor at School of Media and Journalism. So my poem is about I ride bike like 25 kilometers. I ride every day one side on highway. So seeing that highway, there are multiple thoughts which come to our mind. So that's how this poem came to my mind, and that's how I've written this. So this is called Highway, Stairway to Heaven ya Hell. So now it goes like, hey highway, you wake me up with a bang. Cruising peeps, loud thuds, crashing wheels, moaning howls, agonizing pain. So many chills, so many stories, so many beginnings, so many endings. Some cross, some miss, some hits, yet you are not draining. Yet you are not draining. Loud, long turns, sharp curves, blind spots, straight ways, dark, deep roots. You scare me to the core. You scare me to the core, inside out. Yet I write to be with you. To be with you, I know you have an ever ending journey. Yet you don't wither but stand tall. Stand tall, waiting for me to ride, killing me different ways, 1,000 times in your dreams. Yet I ride, waiting, hoping, praying that it's not my time yet. Waiting, hoping, praying, it's not my time yet. You are terror for me, yet I ride. My purpose is just begin. Before you be my stairway to hell ya heaven. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful platform. And it was great listening to everyone. Thank you.
It was an enriching poetry, ma'am. So,
thank you.
I shall proceed by welcoming the judges. We have Honorable Dr. Sunit Mishra, who is a PhD in Hindi poems, PhD scholar, Central University of Gujarat, and many of his poems have been published on Amar Ujjala Kavya. And next we have Mr. Saad Ahmed Sheikh. He is the co-founder of a poetry community called Bethak and Beyond. He is an MA in English, NET qualified with experience in writing. Co-founder of a well-known poetry community in Pune, Bethak and Beyond, organized over 60 consistent sessions for Bethak over the last few years, collaborated successfully for events with prominent communities and venues of Pune, like Bullock Cart Poetry, Rah, Literacy and Culture, Pagdandi Bookstore Cafe, and many others. Tripti, would you please give the post-performance speech and concluding remarks?
Before we move on to that, I would like to request the judges to say a few words for today's occasion. Mr. Ahmed Sheikh, if we could have you say a few words on this graceful occasion, please.
Hello everyone. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First of all, thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me over here. I mean, it's always a pleasure to see, even amongst the pandemic and that's going on, that we still are organizing cultural events, especially poetry programs, because online the way that we conduct any poetry session, it becomes a little difficult, but still the fact that we are persevering with these, it's heartening to see. Thank you so much for having me over here. Just a few remarks that I noted down. Firstly, that congratulations on the correct Ghalib Shairi, because so many of the poetry events we have Farzi Ghalib, which we call them, that Dhul Chehre par thi aina saaf karta raha, which is not Ghalib, but we say that it's Ghalib. But congratulations on using the correct Ghalib share. Secondly, I would just like to say that the content, all round content of your poems, that was incredible. I loved it, and I could not find, anybody regarding content, anybody ranking lower than the other. Another thing, I would just like to finish this off with my mention of my few favorite. I mean, not everybody will win, but a few favorite poets from this. One, Saira. Really loved your poems, Saira, Charuta, Sukriti, Vidya, and Siddhi. So, these are my favorite poets. I mean, the ones which I found really remarkable. So, just even if you don't win, just the ones, because there are a few limited prizes, right? So, just the ones which I found remarkable. I like to mention. So, thank you so much for having me over here.
Thank you for the shout out, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure to have you here with us today. And now I request Mr. Suneet Mishra, sir, to say a few words. Sir, you're muted actually. If you could unmute yourself.
थैंक यू. मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा. कविताएं अच्छी लगी. आप लोगों ने प्रोग्राम बहुत सुंदर तरीके से, एकदम कविताओं के जैसे सुंदर तरीके से प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया. इसके लिए स्पेक्ट्रम को बधाई. कविताएं सुंदर थी, विषय अच्छे थे. शिल्प के स्तर पर सबने अपने अपने प्रयोग किए. और अभी तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि मैं ने जो जज किया है उस पर किसी एक नाम पे मैं डिसाइड नहीं हूँ, तो शायद साथ जी ही उसको फाइनल कर पाएंगे. बहुत टफ, बहुत करीब मामला है. सभी ने बेहतर किया और बहुत अच्छा लगा. सभी को शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. बहुत अच्छा लगा आज आप हमारे साथ जुड़ पाए इस ओकेजन पे. एंड we are done with all the performances for today, and congratulations to all the participants for putting up such amazing and spellbinding and mesmerizing performances. And I must tell you, it was indeed a pleasure to be a witness to all of them. And the results and the prizes will be announced on the 2nd of July, and all the participants will be awarded with a participation certificate, and the top 3 winners will be given ranking prize. Now I would like to call upon Arya Bora to present the vote of thanks on behalf of all the participants.
It is a great honor to present this vote of thanks to all who have helped to make this event such a resounding success. I would maintain that thanks are the highest form of thought, and that gratitude is happiness doubled by wonder. First of all, I would like to thank the founder president, Dr. Vishwanath Karad, executive president, Mr. Rahul Karad sir, Vice Chancellor Dr. N.T. Rao sir, Pro Vice Chancellor Mr. Ravi Kumar Chitnis sir, Dean Dr. Anuradha Parasar ma'am, Head of School Ms. Preeti Joshi ma'am, faculty members, all the judges and all the participants for taking out time from their busy schedule and making this event successful. I must not forget to thank the students, who contributed to organizing this event and working hard for the past few days. We thank you for being with us. It has remained a pronounced pleasure. I would maintain that thanks are the highest form of thought and that gratitude is doubled by wonder. Once again, I thank everyone for being a part of this event. It definitely couldn't have been a success without all of you. I also thank all the participants for putting up such an enthusiastic, idyllic, and talented show. We hope to see you and this spirit again until the next event, Kirdar, which is on the 5th of June. I repeat, which is on the 5th of June, Kirdar. So stay tuned. Until then, keep creating, experimenting, and exploring all horizons. As they say, the sky is the limit. And now I would like to conclude this vote of thanks by a little शायरी. छूले आसमान की तलाश न कर, जी ले जिंदगी खुशी की तलाश न कर, तकदीर बदल जाएगी खुद ही मेरे दोस्त, मुस्कुराना सीख ले खुशी की तलाश न कर. We will end today's event on an auspicious note with this Pasaidan. I would request the host to please play the Pasaidan.
विश्वात्मके देवे येने वाग्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषोनि मज जावे पसाय दान जे खळांती व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्मी रतिवाढो भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे दुरिताते तिमिरदा विश्वस्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो जो देवांशील तो तेलाहो प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणीचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषाचे चंद्रमे जे अनंतन मार्तंड देता पहिन ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोय रे हो तू किंबहुना सर्व सुखी पूर्ण होनी सिही लोकी भजिजो आदि पुरुषी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टादृष्ट विजये हो आवे जी येथ म्हणे श्री विश्वेश्वराव हा होईल दान पसाव येणे वरे ज्ञान देवो सुखिया
I'm sorry, there was a mistake. The event of Kirdar is on the 10th of June and not on the 5th of June. I repeat, the Kirdar event is on the 10th of June. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day ahead and stay safe, stay home.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to attend and participate in this wonderful event. I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving this platform, ma'am. It was really a pleasure to perform the poetry because otherwise it would have been unknown. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone. And it is so much, pleasure to be part of it. यहाँ पर इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर यूं आकर अपने लफ्जों को बयान करना बहुत ज्यादा खूबसूरत एहसास था जिस वक्त मैं पढ़ रही थी और हौसला अफजाई का भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया साद सर. Thank you so much. I would like to join your बैठक sometimes because I write into Urdu also. So compliment your शेर by लामा अकबाल साहब के खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है.
Would love to have all of you over there. We shall hopefully resume once this pandemic has.
I would just like to add that I am very grateful for the opportunity to read out my poems and really honored by, that so many people heard me and, and liked my work. And it is a great experience to know that